Good. Today is Friday, June the 16th, 2023. It's about 1:45 p.m. I just got a call from the Chief of Police, Robert Hearns, here in Charleston, Missouri, and told me that a judge just had the court send him a protection order against me, and did I want to come down to the police station or did he want to bring it to my house? I'm waiting for him to bring it to my house because I don't know what anybody would have a protection order against me for, and I ain't did anything. But once he come, I'll video it from there. Make sure you have it. All right, this is the Chief of Police, Robert Hearns from Charleston, Missouri. Now tell me what's going on here.
It's a notice of hearing, June the 16th, at the courthouse in Charleston at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
And it's like a summons to appear, and then here's the information that was filed on the back, and that's all I know about.
Okay, this is a summons from Judge Camp out of Cape Girardeau, Missouri.
So that's the extent of my knowledge, Raymond. I'm just serving the paper.
Okay.
And I'll go notify him that you've been served. And
okay, this is who is this here?
I don't know.
Okay, they look like that. Is that Daisy Gillespie Hall?
Yes, well, looks like what it says.
Okay, you told me it was a Sikh hall, right?
I said the Z. Did I pronounce it wrong? I don't know.
Oh, the Zeke hall.
Okay.
Okay. Gary Camp. You say you don't know nothing about it. Do anybody down in the police department have?
No, this came from the courthouse.
No, I was asking you a question. Do anybody down in the police department have any charges pressed against me or came to the police department that you know of that have anything? But this just came all the way from out of y'all jurisdiction.
From the courthouse.
I'm saying it came from out of y'all jurisdiction here in Charleston, Missouri, all the way to Cape Girardeau, Missouri.
Well, I think it's the judge. The judge is from
from Cape Girardeau, Missouri, and you know who this is. This is Lester Gillespie. You know Lester Gillespie. You know this is his daughter.
Well, I do now.
Yeah, you just not know it now?
I didn't realize it.
Okay, yeah, that's what it is.
I didn't realize it till you saw the Gillespie back here. I didn't read it.
Right.
But if you got any questions, you can call them.
No, I ain't got to call them. I just wanted to make sure didn't nobody come down to Charleston, Missouri, police department, to any of your police or you, and said that they had a reason to get in expose against me. Okay. That's all I want to know.
If they do, I'll call you.
No, I'm saying, do you know it?
No, I don't know.
You called me personally.
This is here.
Yeah,
this
but
came from the courthouse.
Yeah, you called me personally for this here, and normally the chief of police don't call people for cases.
They're all at jury trial.
Oh, so all of your police,
they're at jury trial, and
your whole police force is in jury trial.
I'm just serving papers.
No, I'm saying your whole police department is in jury trial.
I'm like you. I can still come out and work a little bit.
No, I know you can work, but
they got a jury trial going on.
Yeah, for your whole police department. Okay,
yeah,
ain't no problem at all. It just seemed like you smiling.
It came in.
Because
they emailed it this afternoon, and I just picked it up and brought it.
The reason why I say it, because it's strange. Me and my daughters and them been attacked by all type of people. I ain't had you come. I ain't had nobody from the courts, the advocates come to see if we all right. But that's all right. Okay. I just wanted to make sure. Okay, well, I see the smile on your face.
No, I'm just.
It's okay. I'm gonna be there on the 16th.
If anybody comes.
I don't need you to call, because if somebody come, you see what I'm saying? You would do like you did here, one of your police. That's Robert Hearns, y'all, the chief of police. He said all of his police is on jury trial, so he called me personally to bring me an expose that he said he didn't know who this is, but he know who it is. It's Daisy Gillespie Hall, Lester Gillespie's daughter. But let me tell you this here. Lester Gillespie's daughter got on my Facebook page. You see what I'm saying? I'm mentioning me, but now they got a judge, Camp, that I went in front of before concerning Leslie Gillespie. And now, here it is. They got an expose. What did I possibly do? I don't even know Daisy Gillespie, or Hall, if I seen her. You see what I'm saying? But if Daisy Hall can get on my Facebook, my social internet page, and talk about me, then definitely I can get up there and talk about her. But anyway, I just wanted y'all to see what's going on. I got to go to court June the 16th, 2023, up here at the Mississippi County 33rd Circuit Court, which me and my two daughters haven't had any type of justice. Ain't that something? To show you the power, you see what I'm saying, of her father and her. You see what I'm saying? They don't like the fact what I just put up about what her daddy did to a young female and her daughters here in Charleston, Missouri. Now all of a sudden, look what I got to do. I got to go to court for a hearing for an expose again. But I'm gonna leave it at that. One thing about it, you see what type of justice when you go up against the good old boy system here in Charleston, Missouri. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave it at that for right now. Peace, peace. I wanna add something else. The chief of police, y'all heard it out of his own mouth. He said, he called me and asked me was I at home because somebody has a expose or a judge just faxed them an expose all the way from Cape Girardeau, Missouri, against me. I guess I supposed to have been stalking somebody that I never seen personally in my life. I ain't gonna get into all the details, but if anything, I have document proof that this individual more so stalking me than me stalking them. But I want to ask Robert Hearns, when he called me and asked me was I at home, because did I want to come up to the police station, or do he want me to bring him this expose order for me to go to court this month? And I told him he can bring it. Hey, how y'all doing? I told him he can bring it to the house because I don't trust some of them up there. You see what I'm saying? But now I asked him, do the chief of police normally call individuals when an expose is faxed to them or given to them by a judge? I asked him, do he normally come to the people's house personally and bringing it? We know back in, I think, March, we had a former chief of police from the East Prairie Police Department, who's an officer here in Charleston, Missouri, brought me a letter from the housing authority saying that I was barred off the housing authority property. But the chief of police told me all of his police officers is on jury duty. Now, they could be, I don't know if it is now or not, but I would hate if the chief have to bring me a protection order, as he called it, bring it to my house, and hey now, bring me a protection order to my house while all of his police from the Charleston, Missouri Police Department is on jury duty, and somebody is being shot at or somebody's house being broke into. I guess the Charleston, Missouri Police Department wouldn't be able to respond. But I got something else to ask the chief. Now, you had time to call me and had time to bring me that expose paper that you call expose. You see what I'm saying? Apparently you didn't read it all because you didn't even know who it was. I just glanced through it and seen who it was, and then you said, oh, I didn't know that was such and such. Now I know who it is. You knew who it was when you brought it to me. You see what I'm saying? And you knew what it was for. But let me ask you this question. I filed a complaint with the Charleston, Missouri Police Department, got it notarized. I found it and brought it up to the police station on February the 27th, I believe was on a Monday, 2023, and you yet to respond to it yet. You haven't responded to it yet. I went to 2 city council meetings and asked why I haven't got a response. And the mayor asked you how long it's gonna be. It was 40-something days then. You told the mayor it would be 60 days. Now, do your math. You see what I'm saying? The individual that done, well, I ain't gonna even go on to that. But you got some people that you know that's accountants. You count the days from February the 27th, 2023 to the day, June the 16th, 2023. Hey, now. You're going to have 109 days. Way over that 60-something days. You see what I'm saying? I think it's about, what is that, about 49 days? Why haven't you gave me a response? You see, one of the police, I dropped the complaint because I see now he was legitimate. But the one that should have filed a report and didn't, whether he on the police department or not, it's your job if a crime was committed against me and my daughters at my house and my property, my house and my vehicle. It's your duty, whether this police left the force and went to the ambulance service, it's your duty to make sure somebody filed a report. It ain't filed. Tell me why you didn't have time to do that. You know why? Because it's Raymond Lewis Ivy. And I used my First and 14th Amendment right to expose black and white people, law enforcement, and people in these groups. I'm going to leave it at that. Today is 109 days since I filed that complaint. You ain't got enough time to give me that. Your 60 days, it's been gone. I'm going to leave it at that. Peace be still.